Oh my god. Okay, the volume's messing me up, so I'm just like, screw you, volume. Okay, right now I'm, okay, let's move this. Okay, I'm watching this. And I'm also uploading a whole shitload of videos, and trust me, it's only at 5%. I'm loading 6, and it's just like, Revid, Gunter is here. Okay, either way. I'm uploading like 7 videos. Oh my god, I never knew it took so freaking long. Last time it was like 5 minutes. What the hell, YouTube? Well, I guess I'm using you. Screw you. So, right now I'm watching this thing with PewDiePie, and it's, and I seem to do a bit where even Doctor's about to come out. And even though I know it's about to come out, I am scared to hell. So you're gonna watch it with me. Okay, let's watch it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, see what I mean, see what I mean, see what I mean? Oh my god, that was scary as hell. Oh, well, if you could see my face, I think I kind of nearly dropped my mic there. Luckily, it's on my bed, or else I would. I kind of fell on the ground. Don't tell anybody. Either way, that was really scary. Even Gunter fell down. Poor Gunter. Okay, we're gonna see what happens. Let's see if let's see. Oh, is it gonna come back out? Oh my god! Don't come out. Oh, look at poor Peter's face. Look at his face.
It just jumped out away. I just wanted. Okay, I don't know if
Oh, poor PewDiePie. So many videos. And random video of my awesome friend, Caitlin. If you ever watch this, know that your face is here. In my random Chinese or all that. Yes, I learned Chinese because I live in China. I don't always. Look at all these comments. I love dinosaurs. Okay, I love dinosaurs too. Yoshi, why did you do this? Oh my god. Oh, never watching it. Not happening. But I have so many to watch. There's more and more. I don't really want to end. I'm kind of sad. It won't end. Either way, we're going to look through and spaceship, yay. That's from Weird Actors. Birthday cake. It's so funny. I ate like 2 pieces of this and no one could get through one, and I even ate ice cream. And look, it's all of our schmexy peoples. It's all of our schmexy peoples. Valerie. Valerie's friend. Anastasia. And me. But so weird. We're going to learn Chinese so quickly. Look at this. It's kind of creepy. This is going to haunt you in your dreams like it does for me. Damn it, I can't zoom in. Pardon me. Either way, I hope you enjoyed that weird thing that I just did. I'm going to haunt you for the rest of your dreams. Okay, why did I put on that such thing? Either way, I hope you enjoy being haunted by an evil doctor. Like me, I'm never going to walk in the hallway in the dark. Ever. Ever. Again. Bye, Smexy Pepper. Super. Oh, actually, well, Miss Super Smexiness is out. Along with Gunter, but I can't seem to my name to add Gunter into another sound. Gunter, say bye. Bye. Okay, thank you, Gunter. Bye. Bye. Gunter, shut up. Like, bye. Gunter. Bye. Bye. Got you, Gunter. I will be back momentarily. Gunter and I have some business to attend to. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Mwahaha. Okay, bye bye. Bye. It's okay, Gunter. Come say bye. I love you. And I will explain because I have my room. Bye, smoky people.